All right, here's what you might find. Don't look at the sign, Nicole.
Ooh, snake. Oh, beautiful.
Call like snakes. What is it? Deer, squirrel, armadillo, raccoonus, an awesome possum, skink, a rough green snake, or a turtle. A turtle. Pond turtle. Okay. Let's see how far it says it is. Let me stick my head in here and see how far it is. A lot of roots, baby. Be careful. Be careful of the roots. Oh my God. It's a 0.3 mile loop. We gotta make this happen. Come on. Gotta get it. They probably like one the other day. The Yosemite. Yeah. You definitely want to come through this in winter, in summertime.
Nope, I sure wouldn't.
Signs of wildlife. Feathers and feet, footprints and scat.
Ain't old mean there still ain't no snake out either.
Sure don't.
I've just seen snakes out in cold.
Well, he sure ain't moving fast, I can tell you that. He's here.
Back ready to probably jump on that thing.
He's here, he's in a bad way. And I'm ready, don't worry. Look how this old big boy here on the trail. Great Lord, he's been here a day or two. And got a little Aerosane trail this way. And there's definitely water over there. I guess you could sneak down there and catch a fish, maybe. The fish is biting. You need a bush axe or a chainsaw. Some type
We could just walk right through it. So.
some type of pruning device. Yeah. Fallen tree, huh? Oh man, I got a little fishing area here. Little bench sit in. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Fortunately, the wind's blowing right in here on you though. But what for that? A good little spot. Get all boarded up so it won't flush off. Now, boat dock we've seen still further that way, so apparently that's a separate item.
Nobody ever listens to me.
Come out right by the swamp here. And looky, here they got a little boardwalk. I knew this was a good little trail. Trail pinnacle. Can't beat these boardwalks. She's in better shape than most of them. Oh man, it's in pretty good shape. A slight lean to it. A little bit of irrigation pipe there. Somebody's pulled up. Not sure what that was there for. There's a blue water pipe laying down here in the trail. That's where people walk from. Look at that tree. All right, look at here. The nature trail continues on, or you get to community building this way. Had no idea. We'll check that out from this side. I'm gonna fish the nature trail first. Awesome. So it was a loop, a little further than we thought. Let's just double check the sign here real quick and try to read something improperly. Wow. There should be a 1 here, at least. But hey, wasn't too bad. It's 100 degrees out. Here's the other picnic shed, a little more modern. I'm not seeing a number on it. I don't know if it's just a group. I don't know why. They had a drink machine there, but decided to let loose of it. Do have restrooms, his and hers. They got water over by the office. And there's an office here, gift shop office. It's closed. Got a little swinger there. Horseshoes. Got some horseshoes out there. That's awesome. Let's get the signage here. See what they got going on here. Oh, comments, donation cards. Oh, tell you the difference between a water moccasin and a water snake. Pretty good. And John Butt rentals are $25 a day. Price includes trailer motor. Oh man, that is a good deal. 25 bucks a day? That's a good deal. You can't hardly haul your horse here for that unless you live mighty close. And this one here is number 31. Not quite the furthest one south. Huntington Island's the furthest one. Huntington, not Huntington. I got a bad habit of saying Huntington because of Huntington Beach. And here's how they are numbered. All 47 of them. Number 1 being Aiken. Number 2 being Andrew Jackson. So now we find ourselves at Hamilton Hall. And what this is a big old community building with a brand new deck. I'm talking about brand new, man. Heck yeah. Yes, sir, buddy. A big old place in there. Here's about the rental of it. It's a little map of it. That's Lake George Warren, Nicole. Down there. Tells you a little bit about the regulations for the hall. No silly string, no confetti or balloons. We've been seeing that a lot here lately. Cleanup fees must be getting expensive. Back around here, got a little table, a couple chairs. Oh man, some outside picnic tables. Man, it's nice. It's a nice little place. Big old grounds out here to fish at. And I really didn't know there's places back here. I seen it on that nature trail a while ago. So, third time here, learning something new already. Now, there is no camping here, but it is a big open field that one of the rangers used to be here. Actually, was at Peay State Park for a number of years. He was here when he was younger, and he said he used to allow people to stay like one night or something out there if they were just passing through it. They didn't know any different. You know, back before the internet got so powerful. Now we know these kind of things. Back then you didn't. You just in a state park, you just went to it and thought you was going to stay. So this is where the next trail that came out at. With that little wetland there. And over here, man, that's a nice building. Big statue on it. They even got a fire pit. They call it got a fire pit down here. So they got their own little pier down here too. Wouldn't have thought that. Man, shine. One of the buoys is done washed up. Hey, actually you can see through the water here. Everywhere it's so dark you can't see through it. Several logs have got entangled in this one. And there's the other gazebo right there. 1 minute here. There it is. Boy, this lake's huge. It is full of logs though. Great. Don't know where those logs come from. Everywhere you look at, there's knots and logs sticking in there. I want to get here with too nice of a boat, you'd be tore up. But it goes right on around there. Man. This is the park area. Tell you about a day use or whatever. Where they have events and stuff at. There's actually power boxes out there for the events and stuff. You're saying you let them plug up with that. So I don't know if a new ranger will let you do that or not. Probably not. Who knows? But that's gonna be a wrap for here. Lake Warren State Park, day use park. Come check it out and do some fishing. Send me some videos of you catching fish. Oh, it's a stage. This is actually a stage. It's not a picnic area. It's a daggum stage. I didn't know better. Got power right there for stage. Okay. Pretty cool. All right. Thank y'all. We'll see you in the next one.